Meaning of Eddie Cantor.
Eddie Cantor.
Eddie Cantor.
Eddie Cantor.
Eddie Cantor. Eddie Cantor was an American entertainer, comedian, singer, actor, and songwriter who gained popularity in the early 20th century. He was known for his humor, wit, and musical talents, and appeared on stage, radio, and in films. Cantor was a pioneering figure in the entertainment industry, and helped to popularize many songs and comedic routines that are still remembered today. He was also known for his philanthropic work, and supported various charities throughout his life. Eddie Cantor remains a beloved and influential figure in American popular culture.